What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's victim is one of my favorites. I am over here in South China, and today we are brought a coolant smell. Customer says that they're having to add coolant, and accompanying that smell and adding, they're seeing a puddle under the truck, and you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see that at all, just orange coolant. I'll see on the bell housing, there's orange coolant all over the place. You can actually see a drip right there, orange coolant. Boom. So today I want to show you what I found, how I found it, and what you're going to need to do to fix it. So come with me and dive in as we fix this coolant leak. One of the first things you're going to need is a small mirror. Hey there. Alright, so I looked in the valley and there was really nothing that really suspicious my attention to anything. Oil wasn't leaking. I usually see the oil and coolant fittings on the turbos leak, but that leaks into the valley, and I have yet to have one leak like this one is. So I want to show you what I did, and where I was holding my mirror. This is going to be a challenge to show you, but I'm going to try my damnedest. So let me get the light here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm trying to show you the reflection. Okay. Right now, you can see how crusty that fitting is. Right where the line goes in. That is the smell. That is where the coolant is going. All down the back of the motor and leaving a puddle, and so on and so forth. So all this stuff is coming off. You guys seen me take the intakes off before. I'm gonna lightly buzz through it really quick, but we're gonna need the coolant tube, and we're gonna need one fitting. That is a boy Charlie. One fitting, one coolant line. Alright, I've just gone ahead and removed the upper intake. I did want to mention that I did not drain the secondary cooling system, and I only drained the primary just enough to lower the level so that I could take the line off. So, note to self. I'm gonna try to show you the problem area here. Look at that. Look at that fitting. So what we have to do right now is, with a 90-degree pick, we have to take out that Jesus clip you see right there, so we can remove the line. And then this is a 19 milli we're going to screw out of the turbocharger. So let me get the line out. Let me show you this first too. Typically I would take the lower intake off too to get this connection, but I was already able to go ahead and get the clamp and sprung it open so that I can move it. Once I get this out, this connection off, I'll be able to twist the line and pull it all the way backwards, and then pretty much just reverse the removal. So let me get that clip out and we'll pull the line out together. All right, I got the Jesus clip out. I'm just gonna go ahead and pry against the turbo. This one was really loose. Had been leaking for a while. Look how nasty that is, man. Look at that. So right now we're gonna try to break this connection. Oh, come on, baby. Ooh, I'm stuck. Just gotta keep working it here. Might have to grab the oh, I got it. Yeah, all right. Now it's pretty much just wiggle and pull until it comes off. Otherwise, you're gonna have to find some alternate way of taking it off. Putting it on is not too bad. You just push it. Just keep scrunching the hose until you get it all on. Yeah, come on, baby. Comes with new clamps. Almost. Keep twisting it. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. All right. There's the hose. Look how long I've been leaking. Always replace it as a pair. I never do just one. See how nasty that is. Guy was smelling coolant when it was getting warm. So we're going to 19 milli this guy right out. Oh, thank you, Milwaukee. And yeah, it shouldn't be too tight. That's it. Here's the fitting. Let's go look at it. Nasty. Come on, little guy. Come on. Ugh. Look at that. Nasty. So we can see the difference already. We got new style O-ring. Maybe different updated seal. Got an orange one on the inside on this one too. What do we got color wise on this one? Oh, we got a black one. Alright, so pretty much gonna reverse the removal procedure. Gonna put that one in, just snug it down, get the new line on, flip the clamp, and I did take the cac tube off, 11 milli, and you just gotta pop, you have to pop this clip up and out of this detent, so the clip's got to come out, and then you can slide that off. Got 11 mil clamp on the charge air cooler, and then you'll have to take the CCV box connection off of the lower intake manifold to give you just a little more access, and it's just a quarter turn and pull. And then that's about it. Gonna take it to the quarter car wash and get it all cleaned up. All right, you guys, tell me if anybody's ever had to do what I'm doing, fix their coolant leak on their 6.7 turbo fitting. Drop me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next Friday.